It fits in your hand, is really, really comfortable, and all the edge is smoothly. And this screen of this phone is a Mate 20. This one we are using the more wide screen. You can see that 6.53-inch 4-color display RGBW. The 4-color RGBW instead of 3-color, we dramatically increase the brightness of this display. When you use this phone in the outdoor, it's lower power consumption and also much higher brightness. The brightness we can reach to 820 nits. And more importantly, this you can achieve much lower power consumption. And even when in the indoor, we're watching all the white background, the internet, the Facebook, all the white background, the power consumption is much lower. Mate 20 Pro, we are using another type of screen. It's OLED screen. It's a more higher resolution. But this phone is using a curved display, OLED display. And the display ratio is 19.5 to 9. It's more slim. Achieved a very high screen-to-body ratio. The Mate 20 we achieved 88%. And the Mate 20 Pro we reached near 87%. So you can see the much higher compared with the other. So you can see with this curvature design, if you see the middle frame, a metal middle frame, we are much narrower. So with this in-screen fingerprint, you can fully use this screen, the maximum view you can get. And today we're introducing very interesting new things. You know that in the past we're using the micro SD card to expand the memory storage for the smartphone. You know the micro SD card was invented 15 years ago. Today we invented the new memory storage, the nano memory card. It's a very interesting nano, 45% smaller than the micro SD card. And how you can use it? Let's see. In the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, we support dual SIM card. Another SIM card slot, you can install either a SIM card or a nano memory card. So it's a very unique design. I think that the industry will build a new standard for the expanded memory. USB Type-C is a jack from this. Gentlemen, this is Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. Each one have 5 colors for your selection. Each one 5 colors. 20, we install the latest 7-nanometer Kirin980 chipset. This Kirin980 is made the industry's most powerful and intelligent SoC chipset. But more importantly, the power consumption is much lower with the power efficiency improvement. The CPU have 58% improvement, but the GPU and the NPU, the power efficiency is much higher improvement. Today, we upgrade the battery of the Mate 20 Pro to 4,200 mAh battery, larger than last generation. And also, you can see that we achieved a much longer battery life compared with the industry, the other phones. We have over 30% longer. Even it's the industry's fastest one. With this 40 watt, you can achieve we call it lightning speed charging. In 30 seconds, you can charge 1%. Very fast. How can you charge that? You forgot to take the charger. You're very interesting. You can use the Huawei Mate 20 Pro to charge that. We support the world's first. We support the world's first wireless reverse charge. They will bring the new technology for the camera system, the revolutionary matrix camera system from the Mate 20. Let's see the camera system. The Mate 20, and we introducing the ultra wide angle, the 16 millimeters, the ultra wide angle lens. And also we have the wide angle, the 27 millimeters, the large aperture, the sensor. And also we have introducing a very large pixel, over 1.55 micrometer, the big pixel sensor. which can achieve the low light conditions, very good quality. And also we have support 2x tele lens, that's megapixel. On the Mate 20 Pro, we're using the same sensor as the P20 Pro, the 14 megapixel, the wide angle 27 millimeter. And the ultra wide angle lens we use is 20 megapixel. And we support 3x, 3 times tele lens is megapixel. By this sophisticated the matrix camera system, we can working together, we can achieve the remarkable camera experience. Let's see the size of this sensor. You can see that we are using much bigger sensor. Next slide. We have some photo to. This is the phone. Maybe we see it in the middle. You take that.
So thank you, Richard, for inviting me up on the stage with you. It's my pleasure to present to you the brand new Porsche design Huawei Mate 20 RS, our 4th generation handset in cooperation with Huawei. As many here may know, it's already the 2nd device we are launching together this year. This smartphone stems from successful collaboration and the hard work both our design and product teams invested in creating this exclusive device. And we'll give you a detailed presentation on its features and capabilities. Thank you very much and enjoy the phone.
Thank you. Thank you. Mate 20 RS is designed for performance. It has the strongest performance, but also, it's a very stylish design. You can see that the belt on this is this design in the belt on the back. It's using the glass and the genuine leather together inside. This is the Porsche design, Huawei Mate 20 RS. Huawei 20X 7.2-inch ultra large screen. This phone is the largest screen, 7.2-inch. We bring you extra display, extra power, and also extra performance. Okay. And also we bring you, for the mobile gaming, we bring a gamepad. You plug in the gamepad, you can better experience for your playing the game, the mobile gaming. And compare with the other, like a Nintendo Switch, very popular game. We make a comparison with them. We have a larger screen, 7.2-inch instead of, okay. We have more higher resolution, 1080p compared with 720p, okay. And also we have a larger battery, okay. But more importantly, we have doubled the gaming battery life, 6.67 hours, compared with that 3 hours, doubled the game. So Mate 20X, the best portable mobile gaming machine. This is the Huawei Mate 20X. We have the camera system, we are using the 40 megapixel. The ultra wide angle Leica triple camera is the same with the Mate 20 Pro, the best camera system, the matrix camera system. And we support IP53 water dust resistant, and also ultra large battery, the biggest screen, and the most powerful processor, and also support the M Pen. And we have two colors for your selection. One is midnight blue, another one is phantom silver. This one is the phantom silver. This one, this color. So we have two colors for your selection. Ladies and gentlemen, Huawei Mate 20X brings you ultimate work and play experience. Thank you. This is the Huawei Mate 20 series family. Today, I also bring some companions for that. It's a variety of cases for your selection. You can see some with a window, some with a wallet case, or with even with a navigation clicker, the magnetic. So different type for your selection. And also we bring super fast 40-watt in-car charger. That's very convenient for you. If you forgot to charge your phone on your way to driving to the office, you could quickly fully charge your phone. And also today, I also want to bring some best companions from Huawei Mate 20 series. This one, Huawei Watch GT. You can see that I want to show you. I will make it longer. How can it's maybe this way. You can change the dial of this color screen. Okay. Take. Okay. Thank you. This is the high-resolution OLED touch screen. With high resolution, also with vivid color, but you can change the dial by long press the dial. You can change any kind of the dials. And also more important is slim. You can see this. It's the slimmest one. Ultra slim design. And also, we're using the very innovative all-new dual-chip architecture. By this dual-chip architecture, we can achieve 80% power consumption reduction. So you can see 2 weeks battery life, much longer than all the others. You know, the most headache things for the smartwatch is it's very easy to run out the battery. Typically, it's running just 1 day or less than 2 days, like that. So we always forgot to charge that. But this can run for 2 weeks. So, and even for the GPS, we can support 22 hours. You can see it's much longer, even much longer than some than the Garmin Fenix 5 Plus. You can see that's only for sports, but we support more functionality, more smart functionality, more smart features. And also it supports real-time heart monitoring, heart rate monitoring. Every second, you can see that. Every second, you can see your heartbeat. The other, every 7 minutes, they check that. You only can see the heartbeat 2 minutes ago, like that. So they give you more more protection of your heartbeat. You may want to know the price and how when will be available. So the Huawei Mate 20 the price is for the 4 GB plus 128 GB. The price is €799, and the 6 plus 128 GB. That one is €849. And the Mate 20 Pro, the price is €1,049. It will be available from, we will start to sell this from the 16th today. And the Mate 20X, the price is €899. It will be available from 26th of this month. And this is a Porsche design, Huawei Mate 20RS, the tools for your selection. Okay. And this is the Huawei Watch GT, very competitive price. You can see that it's a sports watching, 199 euro, and a classic watching, 249 euro, and the Huawei Band 3 Pro is 99 euro. Thank you.